right, we're going to try out this start motor here. So I have a suicide cord connected to the motor, and the suicide cord is plugged in right there. Also go ahead and hit the switch, turn the switch on. See that? Turn it off. Start it again. Turn it off. See, that lets you know that the motor is good, that it works. All right. Okay, till the next video. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.